Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA as we're heading into a new trading day. US stock market is going to open soon and the market here on the ADA chart is still trending sideways, just dancing, trolling around basically the lower boundary line of our sideways range. Nothing exciting to report here, unfortunately. I know I would love to make these videos more exciting by telling you the latest structures and everything, but unfortunately the market isn't always exciting. It is the harsh reality of the market. There's literally no change to the wave count, and I have avoided to label here this micro pattern. I mean, I can give you a count, it wouldn't make a difference because it's really about which levels does the market respect now. So any micro counting here doesn't really help. You could easily count that as a 1-2, 1-2 setup to the downside. I don't necessarily believe that. I think we're dealing with some kind of an ABC structure that could form the wave 5. But either way, we're still holding in the range, and until the market finally breaks below the lower boundary line, there is really not much I can do here in terms of adding new structures or anything. To the downside, obviously we're still in this wave 2 correction. That's currently the idea. As per the white count, yep, the wave 2 could have bottomed here. I've marked that with a question mark already a while ago, weeks ago. If that's the case, that we've already bottomed, we need to see an immediate turnaround to the upside. We need to see the following. We need to see a break above the initial swing high, the end of the wave 4, which is a triangle pattern at 49 cents. And then in addition to that, we need to see a break above the high at 51 cents and a break above the next high at 52.2 cents. Any break above 52.2 cents would at least take us out of the range to the upside. The other, I mean, a break above 49 will not take us out of the range. It might indicate that at least the white microstructure needs to change because the immediate downside pressure is reduced, but we would still be in the sideways range. So it really takes a decisive, a convincing break above 52.2 cents to suggest that something more bullish is unfolding here. In addition to that, to the downside, we need a break below this week's low. That was at Tuesday's low, okay, at 41.3 cents. So in the last few days and weeks, I've highlighted to you, it's actually the 41.9 cent level because that was the previous swing low. It's now 41.3, but really it's a bit of a range, right? It's like very close together anyway. That would take us down further and increase downside pressure, keep it alive basically, this wave 5 to the downside. And I shared with you before that my view is that if we get another low, the area of interest that we should watch is between 38 and 36 cents. But really there isn't much to do at the moment because, I mean, the movement here is just corrective, even to the upside. So there's no sign of a long trade setup on the smaller time frame. This is literally just something for range traders, but I would argue that even range traders are getting quite bored here. Maybe something for a trading bot, but best in these instances is to zoom out, and the main support area is clear. It's on the chart, it's in yellow, it's between 29 cents and 49 cents, and that's the main support region for this wave 2. Whether we've bottomed or not in the short term is literally just noise from that perspective, because a third wave rally to the upside, which can be expected, or at least we can be watching for it as long as we're holding above 29 cents, that should take us into the $2.50 plus range. So of course it makes sense where you buy here, but first of all, there is no confirmation of a low in place yet. So we have to still consider that the market might form one more low. But bear in mind, if things turn around, it can happen really, really quickly. We obviously don't know when it will happen, but I can give you the key breakout points, right? Which I did. So just be aware it can happen very quickly. So you have to make the decision for yourself. If you want to trade ADA, do you want to buy in the support region, get positioned for a possible third wave, but know when you want to stop out? Or are you just watching the chart every day and you try to jump on board when, let's say, a trigger is crossed, for example, a break above that 52.2 cent level? But overall, the parameters of this range will not change until we get a break out of the range. And either a break below this week's low or a break above 52.2 cents is required for me to be able to tell you something new and exciting. Hope you liked the update about ADA. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.